I'm starting off the video by drawing the brows. As you can see guys, I'm using my spoolie brush to brush the brows up. After that, I'm going to use my Davies number 40. It's a dark brown eye pencil to draw the brows. And when it comes to lining the brows, always make sure you follow the exact shape of your brows. I love filling the brows from the outer corner to the inner corner. At this point, I'm now going to use my Elegant proconceler to clean up the brows. And for my all-time supporters, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always being here for me. And for those who are seeing me for the first time, make sure you click the red button below and subscribe to this channel. I always upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So always remember not to use a lot of product because this will help you when it comes to blending. At this point, I'm now going to use my blending sponge to blend in the product. Always make sure the sponge is damp, not wet. I'm now done with the brows, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to apply my primer. Remember guys, I had already applied my moisturizer. Sorry I didn't show you at the beginning. I'll then follow in with my foundation, and for this look I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay number 2. This is currently my favorite. It matches so well with my skin tone. And for foundation, I'm also going to use the same blending sponge, the damp one. I'm going to use it to pat. Don't drag the sponge on your face, just pat as you can see, and don't forget your neck because you don't want to have a brighter face and a dark neck. To highlight, I'm going to use the same Elegant Pro Concealer. It's a shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to use it to highlight the areas around my eye, forehead, and the bridge of my nose. I'll then use my beauty blender to pat, as you can see. And to set in the places that I've highlighted, I'm going to use my Sacha Butter Loose Powder. To contour my face, I didn't have a dark shade of a pressed powder, so I decided to use the dark brown shade of my eyeshadow palette. I wanted this makeup look to be as simple as possible. That's why I've decided not to use fake eyelashes, and instead I'm using my mascara to make the eyelashes look long and thick. Don't forget to check my description box. I'll be sharing all the products that I've used in the video. At this point, I'll now apply my liquid highlighter. This will help everything to pop out.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I like how everything is coming out. This is usually the part that I love so much, applying lipstick. And for this look, I'm going to use this red lipstick. It's Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. It's number 20.
Can't wait to start. You should call the release. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, stay,
So we've come to the end of the video. This is our final look. I hope you guys have learned something. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Until next time, bye.